In this video, we're going to show you two different spreadsheets and how you can use the flash fill function to fill them and separate the data. In this spreadsheet, we have some raw data here. We have last names, comma, first names, and we want to separate those into first name and then last name, 2 columns of each. So to do that, we're going to set a pattern here that Excel will recognize. So I'm going to click inside this first cell here and type in the first name. Then I'll click in the second cell here and type in the last name. Now what we want to do is go to the cell right underneath each one of these, and we will press the Control plus the E key, and that will fill in the rest of the column. We'll go over here and do the same. Press the Control, holding it down with one finger, and then press the E with the other finger, and it fills in the column. Really easy to do. Now let's look at the second spreadsheet that we have. This spreadsheet is a little bit more complicated and involved. So it has a number for each of the presidents. Then we have the president's name, their party affiliation, and their age at inauguration. So I went ahead and filled out that information right here in the first row that I have for George Washington. And we're going to go ahead and try this feature with the flash fill and see how well it works. So I'm going to click right here in this cell, press Control E, and it filled out really well. I'm going to go to the next one, press Control E. All the first names came through. Go to the last name, Control E. All the last names came through. Now we'll do the party affiliation. And we seem to have entered a few problems here that we need to correct. But let's go to the last column and go ahead and complete it. So I'll press Control E there. And so all of the last column, the age at inauguration, works really well. But we do have some problems in here that we have to correct. But it's a lot simpler than typing this all out by hand. So that is how you can use the flash fill feature in Excel only. It's not a Google Sheet feature. Try it out, see what you think.